What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself. And then I want to talk about why having a family can make you wealthy. So let's go. Okay, real quick, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand. Why having a family can actually make you wealthy. All right, so I was thinking just now, about my family, about my kids, about the things I have to do, about my Wealth Builders movement, and it really just dawned on me. The whole reasoning behind a lot of the things I do is based off the fact that I have a family to provide for. I have a wife, I have 4 kids, and that's my reasons for me putting together a online digital business, because the whole reason is to have financial freedom. Now, financial freedom doesn't always mean not going to work, because I do have a job, but financial freedom does mean that you have income coming in that doesn't depend on you going to work. You have income coming in that you can use for other things to grow your income even further. You have income coming in to be able to spend more time with your kids and not needing to have a second job, not needing to take on extra hours, not needing to stress about money, because you figured out that you can get extra income through a side hustle, side business. Not even a side hustle, a side business. Because there's a difference between side hustle and side business. I'll probably create a more structured video on the difference between side hustle and side business, and so we can clarify that. But in short, basically a hustle is something that you're doing and it's taking your time away from your family. And a business is more like you're setting it up where you don't have to be involved in the day-to-day activity of that business and still get paid. It's more like a business, especially an online business, is more like passive income than anything. But with all that being said, this is why having a family can make you wealthy. Because dig this, the more things that you have to spend on and the more people you have to provide for would give you the incentive to push further to be able to create a business, create other income, instead of only depending on a 9-to-5, a just over broke, a job, talking $12 an hour, $16 an hour, even $20 an hour. Yeah, these jobs that's cool and all, and yes, they'll pay your bills, but will they provide freedom for you and your family? Will they provide extra income for you to invest, to grow an investment portfolio for you and your kids? Probably not. And if it does, it's going to take way longer, because you're going to scrimping and scrapping and scraping to get to the point of where you have enough investments to live off that passive income, right? Or build a business and reap the rewards within 2 to 5 years. That is pretty much that. Either you try to build yourself a business and reap those rewards and how long, like you said, 2 to 5 years most likely, or you can only depend on working a job or 2 jobs and survive, and barely survive at that. Unless you have a lucrative income, unless you're making $80,000, $90,000, maybe even $70,000, between $70,000 to $100,000 is living really good, in my opinion. Not for other people maybe, but that's how I see it. If you're making less than $60,000, you're truly struggling, in my opinion. no matter where you live in the United States. That's how I see it. I don't know if the statistics say the same. I don't know if, you see it the same, but for me personally, 60,000 a year, below 60,000 a year, you're struggling. 45,000 a year, you're struggling. You're going to be struggling. Okay? You're going to be damn near in poverty, in my opinion. The way the prices of things are. Inflation is rising. And things of that nature. Okay? So with that being said, man, we have to understand that this passive income and building a business is the only way to be successful. It's the only way to be able to provide a true good lifestyle for your family. So having a family will push you to do these things, will push you to create financial freedom, will push you to create wealth. That's why having a family can make you wealthy, because it gives you the incentive to push harder, to do those late nights, to work on the weekends. And we're not talking working on a job, we're talking working on your business. So if you have your days off is Tuesday and Wednesday, well, on Tuesday and Wednesday, you need to be working on your business. Your days off is Thursday and Friday, then Thursday and Friday, you need to be working on your business. If your days off is Saturday and Sunday, you need to be working on your business Saturday and Sunday. And also the times when you get off your business, when you get home and everybody gets to bed, it's 10 p.m., 11 p.m., 12 a.m. You need to be up working on your business. Early in the morning, 4 in the morning. If you can wake up at 4 in the morning, then wake up at 4 in the morning and get to work on your business. That's just my opinion, man. So thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for being a wealth builder. It's the man. It's the myth. The wealth builder himself. Devon put in work. Signing on for why having a family can make you wealthy. So next time, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more.